Hey guys, welcome back. Today's project, we will be making a bubble hat for a 12 inches tall doll. I will be using number 1 cotton yarn, and this is a fingering yarn, and also a size B 2.25mm crochet hook and a scissor to cut the yarn. Okay, if you are ready guys, let's begin. Okay, to begin, we're going to make a magic ring. Wrap around yarn on our finger twice, 1, 2, and remove the ring. And into the ring, we are going to make the bubble stitch. Make a chain 2 and yarn over hook. Insert hook into the ring. Pull up yarn. Yarn over hook. Insert hook into the ring. Pull up yarn. Yarn over hook, insert hook into the ring, pull up yarn. We have 2, 4, 6, 7 loops on hook and pull through, then make a chain 1. We're going to repeat this until we have 8 bubbles. Yarn over hook, insert hook into the ring, pull up yarn. Yarn over hook, insert hook into the ring, pull up yarn. Yarn over hook, insert hook into the ring, and pull up yarn. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, pull through, and chain 1. Okay, go ahead and continue repeating this pattern. 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. We have 2, 4, 5, 3 more. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. One more. 1, 2, 3, and chain 1. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 bubbles into the ring. Now we are going to close the ring. To close, we are going to pull the inside strand. This is the outside and this is the inside. So the inside strand, pull it halfway from left to the right, like that. And this tail, we are going to pull this tail, pull it nice and tight. Now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain 2. This is the beginning chain 2 here. Slip stitch there, and slip stitch into the first chain 1 space. Okay, and we are going to make a chain 2 for the round 2, and yarn over hook, insert hook into the same space, pull up yarn. Yarn over hook, insert hook into the same space, pull up yarn. Yarn over hook, insert hook into the same space, pull up yarn. 2, 4, 6, 7 loops on hook, pull through, and chain 1. We're going to repeat this one more time here into the same space. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up yarn. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up yarn. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up yarn. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, pull through, and chain 1. Now we are going to repeat this into each chain 1 spaces around. Continue your round guys, repeating that pattern. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Okay, go ahead and finish your round. Make bubble stitch, chain 1, and bubble stitch into the same space. So you will have 2 bubble stitch with chain 1 in between. Go ahead guys and finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round guys, and I have the total of 16 bubbles around, and I have 16 chain 1 spaces around. Now let's join it on top of the beginning chain 2. Okay, and we are going to slip stitch into the next chain 1 space. Now make a chain 2 for the round 3, and we're going to do the bubble stitch again. Yarn on hook, slip stitch into the chain 1 space, pull up yarn, yarn on hook, slip stitch into the chain 1 space, pull up yarn one more time. Okay, 2 4 6 7, pull through and chain 1, and we're going to do the same into the next chain 1 space. 1 2 3, 2 4 6 7, draw all loops and chain 1. Now we're going to do it into the next chain 1 space again. 1 2 3, and pull through, then chain 1. So go ahead guys and continue this pattern around. Make 1 bubble into each stitches around. Go ahead, finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, I have the total of 16 bubbles around and 16 chain 1 spaces. So we're going to slip stitch into the next chain 1 space again. And for the round 4, 1 2 3, for the round 4 we're going to make a chain 2, and we're going to complete the beginning bubble. 1 2 3, 2 4 6 7, draw all loops and chain 1, and we are going to continue this around using the chain 1 spaces around like before. 1 2 3, chain 1, 1 2 3, chain 1, 1 2 3, chain 1. Go ahead guys and finish your round, making 1 bubble in each chain 1 spaces around, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I finished my round, and let's join it with slip stitch on top of the first bubble. Then 1 2 3 4, for the round 5 make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch, single crochet into the chain 1 space, single crochet on top of the next bubble, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, single crochet on top of the next bubble, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and I want you to continue this around. Go ahead guys and continue this around, and I will meet you for the next round. I finished my round guys, and I have 32 single crochet around. Now let's join it into the beginning single, and for the round 6 2 4 5 6, okay, for the round 6 make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch, and you are going to work 1 single crochet into each stitches around. go ahead guys and finish working one single crochet into each stitches around, and I will meet you for the next round. Alright, I finished my round and I join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. Now we are going to do the crab stitch for this next round. So make a chain 1 and we are going to make one single crochet backward. Okay, insert hook into the second chain from the joining. Pull up yarn. We have 2 loops on hook. Pull through, and we're going to repeat this. Okay, this is how it looks like, guys. So go ahead and continue this around and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, before we join, I need to make one more, inserting the hook into the same stitch as in the beginning. Okay, insert hook there, pull up yarn, draw 2 loops, and now we can cut the yarn and use the yarn needle to do the closing. Okay, with the yarn needle, okay, I am going to insert the needle here. This is the first where we did the last stitch, and at the second one here, the second stitch, we're going to insert the needle there from back to the front. Okay, and I am going to do it one more time into the same stitch. Just to cover the space like that. All right, and now we are going to, now we can go back at the back and then wave the tail. Okay, with your yarn needle, go ahead and wave the tail of your yarn. I need to use the smaller one. Okay, just go ahead and hide the tail, and same thing as the first one there. I have one in the beginning of the round, in the beginning of the project. Okay, so this is how the beanie looks like. All right, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like if it is on the head of the doll. Okay, okay guys. All right, okay, thank you for crocheting along with me today. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching my videos. And don't forget to hide the tail of your yarn before using it or before putting it into the wash. Okay, thank you so much again, guys, and I hope you enjoy crocheting along with me, and please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come. May you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.